So here I'm in an office, and I don't want to do a huge cutout job. There's a couple of holes in the wall from the door. So I've taken my hole saw, drilled nice little holes wherever the damage was. Now I've taken a chunk of drywall, just your handy little panel, and I cut them into a couple squares like so. Now I've taken my hole saw and I've drilled into the back just to the point where it's almost ready to come through. You can see it's almost ready. Then I take it back off. I score it a bunch of times and I start peeling those pieces out, and you're left with this. This is just a drywall paper and a core. Now I'm going to mud the hell out of this, and I'm going to stick it back on the wall like so. Drill it to the back. I put my hand on the front so I can feel when it's getting close. Now it takes 20-minute fast setting mud. Now I'm going to put a nice, just a thin skim on the paper just to get it wet, so it sticks a little better. Instead of working on the wall, I just put a little bit on the paper, just enough to get it wet. You're not really putting mud on it. It's kind of what I call back buttering. Much easier to do this on a table. and then press it outward. Pull out some of that mud. You want to leave some in there though. You're going to take it all out. Take it all out, it won't stick. There we go. Not too bad. Didn't take that long. I'll come back in an hour or two. And I'm going to skim coat the whole thing, maybe an hour. I'll skim coat the whole thing with light, regular compound. Okay, it's been about an hour, and you can see the patch is partly dry. I'm going to put my skim coat on it anyway. But tomorrow, I may still need a thin skim tomorrow, but at least it'll be fully dry by then. So I just took a scraper, my knife, and just knock off all the loose bits and anything that'll get in your mud. Be gentle if it's fresh like this one. I think that's about it. Okay. Now it's time for a skim coat over the entire patch, thin enough so it'll dry in an hour or so. Time for good sanding. See, this is a hard edge. Anything that's like a line. What you want to do is you want to taper it off into almost nothing. So it's not a hard edge. And then you'll never see that when you're painting. Anyway, light sand, and then prime. Check the quality of your sanding job. You turn your flashlight or whatever you got on, and you go diagonal. You can see every imperfection. Let's see. There's a light one right there. So, I don't know if you can see it on camera. Certainly won't be able to focus on it. It's all white. But everything else looks very good. I like to dust, brush all of my drywall work. I usually use a broom, but see all the dust that's coming off it, and you can see little things like air bubbles that you couldn't see before. Yeah, that really helps. And here it is finished painted. I know you can't see anything, but that's the point. Anyway, click like and subscribe.